Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to give you all my Nykaa hot pink sale haul. I know it's been a while, but I was on a break, so I didn't show you all what I got from Nykaa hot pink sale, but now it's time, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the stuff that I got from Nykaa hot pink sale, but that's not it. And we have another box, like it is full of lipsticks and other stuff. So yeah, we have quite a few stuff to show you all. So without any further ado, let's just get started. And I would recommend just go and grab something to eat because it's going to be a long video. Also, as I said, that it's been a long time since I have received all these products. So that clearly means that I have used most of the stuff. So I'm going to give you all a quick review about all these products as well. And at the very same time, while I'm shooting this video, Nykaa is having their another sale, that is Nykaa Pink Influence Party Sale. So if you want to purchase any of these products that I'm going to show you all in this video, that you can purchase it from the link given in the description. So make sure you check that out. So it was just for your information. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing is this Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. So this product clearly needs no introduction because you guys must have seen how many times I have used this product. So yeah, I just love this product. Okay, so it's a restock and price. I don't remember the prices right now, so I'm just going to insert the prices somewhere on the screen. को पता है मैंने ये खरीदा और फिर मुझे नायका ने 2 PR भेजे, उसमें उन्होंने मुझे 2 और टोनी मोली के टोनर्स भेज दिए. So now I have 3 full bottle of toners. So next year तक I am all stocked up on my toner. Next I got this Claire's Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil, and oh my god, this is such a nice cleansing oil. Like मैंने वापस इसको पैकेजिंग में डाला है, but I have used it twice and I just loved it. Like I have never used any cleansing oil before this, and oh my god, my skin loved this. The way it has cleansed my skin, like itne deeply cleansed kara hai. I was able to see the gunk coming out. So it's a really nice cleansing oil. You should give it a try. Also, there is no order of any of the stuff that I'm showing you all in this video because मेरे सामने जो मुझे दिख रहा है मैं बस वो उठा के आपको दिखा रही हूँ. So yeah, one we have is this Clear Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, and again I used it last night, and oh my god, the way this toner set on my skin was like a dream. करने के बाद मैंने जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स अपनी स्किन पे लगाए, क्या मस्त ग्लाइड हुआ है मेरे स्किन पे. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी विद दैट. एक लिटरली मजा आ गया था इसको यूज कर. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल द टेक्सचर. लाइक सी, it is not that thick. At the very same time, it just easily sit onto your skin. It is non-sticky and you just feel so fresh, and the best part is it has no scent. Okay, so next I got my hands on this Vaseline Healthy White Gluta Hydra Dewy Radiance body lotion, and I recently used it on one of my trip, and the way my body was shining was crazy, and also it is not sticky at all. So basically what happens with all the body oils that you use, that those body oils that gives kind of shine to your skin, तो उसमें क्या होता है वो थोड़ा सा sticky होता है. But this product is so, like, this product is so nice, like, and I have noticed that it also brightens your skin at the very same time, makes your skin look very hydrating. See, next one is this Carmesine Natural Deodorant, and I have heard so much about it. Like it is so gentle on your skin, and also it smells very nice, which is all true. I am so in love with this product. Like you just smell like coconut, and you just smell so nice. And it is so gentle on your underarms, and it feels so refreshing. Very, very, very good on the days where you are going to exfoliate your underarms. Love this. Restocked on this Chemist at Play underarm odor control deodorant. It has 5% of AHA, which is so good for brightening your underarms. I restocked on this, and I clearly don't remember how many bottle of this I have finished. Every time Nykaa has a sale, I make sure that I repurchase on this. So yeah, so this is for the days where I'm going to exfoliate my underarms, and ये ऐसे regular के लिए. Guys, nowadays I'm so much into my skin tint era, so I got my hands on this. This is Bioderma tinted sunscreen. It is very expensive, okay, and you know what, I have used it twice. First time I loved it. Second time when I used it, I think मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा use कर लिया था, and मैं एक moisturizer भी use की थी water based, and then I used this water based sunscreen, so it just peeled me out. Like पूरा मेरा पूरा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो पील होने लग गया था. So that was my mistake. But the first time that when I used it, Oh my god, I just love it. But it is for the dry skin and combination skin. Like, but if you have some oily skin, just stay out of it. And it is also suitable for sensitive skin type as well. Like, if you have oily skin, please stay out of it because you will not love it. Okay. Other than that, I just love it. Talking about tinted sunscreen, I also got my hands on this Dot and Key Skincare Strawberry Dew tinted sunscreen. I have used it right now, and you know what? This is my go-to tinted sunscreen. Like, if I have to go to my office or if I have to go out for lunch or so nowadays I don't use foundation anymore. Like, if I have to go out, I just use this and I'm good to go. Like, look at it. I just love it. Like, it just feel like my skin but better, and it also has very negligible coverage, but at the very same time it's just looks so presentable, so I just love it. Okay, so when I said that I am in my skin tint era, I was not joking. Like, I literally got my hands on this is Smashbox Halo Glow tinted moisturizer. So basically that those were tinted SPF and this is tinted moisturizer. So tinted moisturizer is more like found when you mix your foundation and your moisturizer gives you kind of a good coverage. At the very same time, it's very lightweight and it is less than a foundation. So basically when you mix your moisturizer and foundation, तो जो टेक्सचर बन के आता है दैट इज मोर लाइक अ टिंटेड moisturizer. Correct me if I'm wrong because I am also very new to this like tinted moisturizer kind of thing and I have not used it yet. पता नहीं मैंने किस दिन के लिए बचा के रखा है. So next one that I got is this Bare Autonomy Cleaning Scalp Scrub. Oh my god, this is such a nice scalp scrub. I have used it once and I was so done with my dandruffs. Like, मैं इतना परेशान हो गई थी अपने dandruff से. कितना भी कुछ कर लो, कितने भी क्लैरिफाइंग शैम्पू लगा लो, ये लगा लो वो लगा लो, my dandruff was just coming out and my scalp was so greasy. Like, एक हेयर वॉश के बाद ही मेरा स्कैल्प बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रीसी हो जा रहा था. I my hair was clearly not behaving, and I have used this product once, and oh my god, my hair it started behaving nicely. Okay, like, what is dandruff? अब तो मुझे dandruff दिखता भी नहीं. Like, you can clearly see how clean my scalp is, and I have just used it once. So I'm so impressed with this product, and it is more like a sugar-based scrub. And then I also got my hands on this Foxtail Purple Clay Mask. I have used it once, and I have used it on days where I was breaking out like hell. Like, when I recently मैं घर गई थी, ठीक है, फिर घर से वापस आई. There was so much humidity over there, so I just started breaking out. And I also had lots of mango over there, so I was breaking out like hell. Like, you can clearly see the marks over here, and this product has helped me. Like, this product has calmed my skin so nicely, and it also helps to get rid of your blackheads. So I think it is a nice product. I have used it once. So far so good. I'll come up with a detailed review on this, but I've used it once and I have loved it. Okay, this Dr. Shade Ceramide and Vitamin C Oil Free Moisturizer. I have talked so much about this. Like, I love this moisturizer. This is my savior. Whenever I started breaking out, whenever I think my skin barrier is damaged, I always go back to this product. So I just like मैंने से एक अपने क्या बोलते अपनी सेविंग्स में रख रखा है. Like, nowadays my skin barrier easily get damaged because obviously I'm trying out few products, so I always just keep it in handy. And oh my god, look at it. Like, the size of the moisturizer पहले 50 ग्राम का आता था. Now they have launched the 100 gram of packaging, which is so good. Like, and while I'm shooting this, मुझे याद है कि मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए भी ये भिजवाना है because my parents love this moisturizer. Okay, पापा is so like I have मैंने एक्चुअली अपने पापा को 2 मॉइस्चराइजर और दिए एंड ही इज लाइक नहीं, मुझे तुमने वो पहला वाला जो दिया था दैट इज नाइस, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. नॉट जस्ट मी, माय डैड इज आल्सो अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ दिस मॉइस्चराइजर डॉक्टर. एंड इफ बाई चांस डॉक्टर शेट, इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो और कहीं से भी आपके पास ये वीडियो चला गया, प्लीज sponsor me because oh my god, my family is crazy about this moisturizer. Okay, and पैसे लगते हैं, बहुत पैसे खर्च होते हैं. प्लीज 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 स्पॉन्सर मी. Next, I again restocked on this Vaseline Light Hydrated Moisturizer. It is also a body lotion. I'm already using one, and this is also so lightweight. I like body lotion that is lightweight at the very same time very hydrating. Okay, so next I also restocked on this Carmesy Facial Razor. Like, it's a need, basic necessity. I also got my hands on this Redken One United Multi Spray. I have used it once. That was one day I was just getting so late, so I just sprayed it on my hair and that day I didn't used any conditioner. I just मैंने बस shampoo करा, फिर मैंने ये spray लगाया, and oh my god, my hair never felt so better. Like, it instantly detangled my hair. So love this one. So the very first impression was nice, but I'm yet to use this product. And you know what, this is so expensive, so better ye acha hi ho, otherwise heartbreak. So I just got my hands on this OG Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and मुझे actually waterproof नहीं लेना था, but गलती से मैंने शायद waterproof ले लिया. And by the way, this is such a OG, you know, this newly launched Hyphen lip balm, and it is a tinted lip balm. I ended up purchasing in all the three shades because I was too confused कि मुझे कौन सा शेड पिक करना चाहिए. So I just ended up purchasing all the three shades. And you know what, जब मैंने नायका से इसे purchase करा and जब तक वो मेरे पास deliver हो चुका था, then Hyphen came up with buy one get one sale, and I was so bumped up and I was so sad. Like, मुझे थोड़ा वेट करना चाहिए था, तो I might have got it in a very good discount, but ठीक है. I also got my hands on this DM Beauty lip oil. अभी तक मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं करा, और एक बार मैंने इसे गिरा भी दिया and it just broke out from here, but अभी हम यूज़ करते हैं इसे. Oh my god. This, and I am in the shade chocolate, and it actually tastes like a chocolate. Okay, so now I have few lipstick to show to you all, guys. This one is this Maybelline Superstar Vinyl Ink lipstick, and I am in the shade Witty. Like, I have been seeing the ads of this lipstick so much, like I literally got influenced and ended up buying. Like, the review were actually very nice, so I just got my hands on the shade Witty. And मुझे लगा था ये थोड़ा nudish shade में होगा, but this is such a different shade. I don't have anything like that in my collection. And look at the shine, it is so nice. And you know what, this will not transfer. At the very same time, it will have like kind of shine throughout the day. So I just love this about the lipstick. And then I got my hands on this Nykaa lipstick, and I'm the shade You Are Late, You Are Latte. And this is such a nice, you know, nude shade. Like, look at it. Next one is again from Nykaa, and I'm the shade It's a Vibe. Okay, this is kind of a dark nude shade. Wait, I'll just swatch it out for you all. Like, look at it. This is such a nice shade. Then we also have this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I am in the shade, what is this? Made Easy. Like, my hand. Yeah, that is dark. Like, it's not bad it with the packaging. Like, utna bhi dark nahi hai. Isko dekh ke I was like, it will be bit darker, but it is not. And it is perfect, and it is a perfect brown. I don't know how it will look on my lips. I'll swatch it out someday else, like not. I also got my hands on these Nykaa So Matte mini lipsticks. And you know what, this lipstick reminds me, and the very first lipstick that I bought in my whole life was this Nykaa mini matte lipsticks. And that was also due to my roommate, because my roommate was so obsessed. My roommate was so obsessed with lipsticks, and उस time मैं first year में थी and she was in third year. And you know what, this girl has a whole lot of collection of lipsticks. And I was like, what is this? Like, मैंने अपनी लाइफ में पहली बार इतनी लिपस्टिक सामने से देखी थी. And I was not at all, you know, a makeup girly. Like, मैं उतना स्किन केयर भी नहीं करती थी. I just used to use a face wash. शायद मैं यूज़ करती थी, मुझे फेस वॉश का याद नहीं है, बट मैं बस एक ही क्रीम यूज़ करती थी, जॉनसन्स बेबी या फिर निविया. मैं इन्हीं दोनों में स्विच होती रहती थी. एंड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई यूज टू अप्लाई ऑन माई स्किन. एंड उनके पास क्या मेकअप होते थे, और द लिपस्टिक कलेक्शन वॉज insane. उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया था to get this one, and I still remember she got the bigger one and I got the smaller one. So like, वहाँ से मेरा obsession start हुआ है lipsticks का. And I'm the shade 26M Bonbon, and look at the shade. This is so, you know, bold. This is such a, you know, deep brown nude kind of a shade. Again, this Nykaa So Matte mini lipstick, and I'm the shade 20M Caramel Margarita, whatever it is. I just love the shades and Nykaa के lipstick के textures काफी अच्छे होते हैं. And this is Nykaa Mona Lisa Ultra Matte Mini Lipstick and I am in the shade. The shade is Mona Lisa. Yeah, maybe the shade would be Mona Lisa. Yeah, the shade is Mona Lisa. So tiny. Like these lipsticks are so tiny. Like look at it. All the shades are so nice. And this is the last lipstick. This is Mars Super Stay Non-Transfer Proof Lipstick, and it is actually non-transfer proof. Okay, I'm the shade 12 Sinful. This is such a gorgeous brown shade. Did you see it? Like this is so creamy. And I have used it once, but वो shade काफी deep था मेरे skin tone के लिए. So I ended up giving this to one of my friend. Now it's time for a few freebies. So the very first freebies that I got is this छोटा सा cute सा lipstick from Maybelline. Let me open this. This is so tiny, and this is again Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. इसका mini version है ये guys. Be suitable for my shade. This shade is not my shade. This is so orangish. It's time for a few freebies. I got these two from Dr. Shade. This is Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen, and this is Ceramide and Vitamin C face wash. Like I'm so excited to try this out. Like मुझे Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen तो बहुत ही दिनों से try करना था. I was planning to buy a full size one, but now that I have a mini, I will use it, and then I'm going to make my decision that whether I should buy this or not. Got this Bioderma micellar water. Like look at it. This is such a cute packaging. I haven't open it, and this is so good for your traveling. Like these face wash and sunscreen are so good for your traveling. Like आपको पूरा full tube लेके जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Got this Matrix shampoo and conditioner sachet for use, like for the travel. Love it. Like 3 hair washes it for this video, and I hope you all like this video. And I'm quickly going to go and edit this video because the footage is so long. And if you guys have stayed till here, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys are giving me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Right, also I'm going to provide all the links down in the description, so that in case you guys might want to purchase any of these items that I have shown you all in this video, you can buy from that link, because Nykaa is having their pink influence party, which means that if you're gonna buy from my link, you're gonna get some discount. Obviously, if you're gonna purchase this, I'm going to get some amount of commission. So if you guys want to support me, then please go and purchase from that link, and I will see you guys in my next video. So then stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive. Bye.